easy to draw Luffy. This is my channel Art by Mahmood. First, draw eyes.
Blinding lights, lost in your eyes, feeling the pressure. You and I, spending the night, chasing forever. For you, oh no, I'd be your one and only. Don't let me go, don't leave me lonely. Say you'll stay through the pain. Say
Draw mouth and teeth.
running, let me in through your veins. Get off on my loving.
Draw face structure. Draw hair shape.
Holding on,
Draw a beautiful cap.
beginning. All along, they stay in my head. I'm feeling you shifting. For you, oh no, I'd be your one and only. Don't let me go, don't leave me lonely. Say you'll stay through the pain. Say you won't go running. Let me in through your veins. Get off on my loving. Say you'll be here when your head starts to clear. When I'm drowning, just say you'll jump in.
Draw hair. Draw cloth and body.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver, no more heartbreaks.
Draw hand.
Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. Get me out of now. truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. I hate
Draw rectangles.
thinking, the more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver, no more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar, bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out.
I am your brother Nihal. You like this type drawings? Please like and subscribe. For more, your beautiful drawing is ready. Enjoy the time lapse.